EP. Vascular. The blue field phenomenon, Scheerer's phenomenon. The blue sky sprites are tiny bright dots moving quickly along squiggly lines in the visual field, especially when looking into bright blue light such as the sky. The dots themselves are the result of white blood cells moving along the capillaries in front of the retina. The dots themselves are small and white, and they appear slightly elongated with dark tails, which are red blood cells. Spherical white blood cell is too wide for the capillary, and red blood cells get backed up behind them, creating the appearance of a white dot with a tail. EP. Vascular. The blue field phenomenon, Scheerer's phenomenon. Blue light is absorbed by the red blood cells which fill the capillaries. And the white blood cells, which are much less than the red ones and do not absorb blue light, but allowed to pass to the retina making gaps, appear as the spots. The dots appear in the central field of view, within 10 to 15 degrees from the fixation point. The dots will not appear at the very center of the visual field, because there are no blood vessels in the foveal avascular zone. EP. Vascular. The blue field phenomenon, Scheerer's phenomenon can be distinguished from visual snow because it appears only when looking into bright light, whereas visual snow is constantly present in all light conditions including the dark. Visual snow syndrome (VSS-E) is an uncommon neurological condition that causes the patient to see persistent flickering white, black, transparent, or colored dots across the whole visual field. It has no cure and treatment yet. Antoptic phenomena, central vision. The center of the retina is the macula, and the center of eye is the fovea, macula lutea yellow spot, which is responsible for central vision. It's the point at which visual acuity is at its highest. In the fovea, there are no rods, only cones, and there is no blood vessels, avascular. Central vision phenomena is due to the absorption of blue light by a yellow pigment in the macula called xanthophyll, which acts as yellow filter. It is include Haidinher's brushes and Maxwell's spot phenomena. EP. Central vision. Haidinher's brushes phenomenon. A pale interlinked blue and yellow bar or bow tie shape, visible in the center of the visual field against the blue sky viewed while facing away from the sun. Or on any bright background, due to light polarization. Central vision phenomena is due to the absorption of blue polarized light as a result of dichroic xanthophyll pigment. The direction of light polarization is perpendicular to the yellow bar, i.e., vertical if the bar is horizontal. Haidinher's brush is formed only on the macula and centered on the fovea, so we can use it to measure eccentric fixation and detect any macular problem early.